how to stop automatic updates in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to disable automatic updates on your Windows 11? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your settings and then you need to go to the Windows update in the left hand side at the bottom, and then there if the get the latest updates as soon as they are available is toggled on, then you just need to uh, toggle it off. So that's it. You can even pause updates if you want to. You can see the option to pause for 1 week, pause for 2 weeks, and more. So that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.